This recipe, it's a bread recipe, no oven, no mixer. I found this recipe is actually from the leftover when I made the dumpling. We call this wotie in Chinese, and I think Japanese call it gyoza. I'm not sure what they call it in Korean. And usually when I make that, there's a leftover of dough, and then I don't want to throw it. And this recipe is just like came out. I was thinking maybe I try to put it in the frying pan, just like pita bread or tortilla. So it's very easy. Check it out how to make it. You can have your bread ready in 10 minutes. So no proving time, no yeast, just that dough, and you can put some things on top to eat with that. You can even have a scrambled egg, you can have ham or cheese, anything. You can use it as a wrap, or you can just eat it like that. Or you want to use a dip. It's really nice, I tell you. And then Natasha's approved. That's the most important because she's the only one here in the house. I like when she said, this is yummy. You know, my picky eater. So yes, check it out how I make this simple bread recipe, and you will make this again and again, I think, just like me. Let's go.